I started my law endeavor from Amity University, Noida, back in 2015. It has been a great journey. I have explored various fields. I have debated in various MUNs, and after these 5 years, I can tell you that now I have started taking coachings for these MUNs. I inform other people about it, and apart from that, now I had this interest in competition law, but I didn't get any opportunity to explore that. So LawSikho really provided me with that platform where I was able to know more about competition law, and it helped me a lot. Uh, then I had Shweta ma'am in this. She, talked about various concepts which were very foreign. I didn't know about a lot of things there, and how a company works is really different from how an individual makes his decision. Started my law journey from Amity University, Noida, 5 years back in 2015. Uh, Back then, we didn't have much awareness about competition. So Amity University was the one which introduced me to the specialization. Uh, I took more interest in companies. I got to company law from them. So I had this interest in taking coachings for them. But to do that, I needed a platform. So that was Concord Collective. Concord Collective is basically providing corporate training, is basically trying to come up with new seminars on sexual harassment in workplace, on maintaining proper discipline, on upgradation of employment agreement, and all other legal uh, procedures, all other legal issues that are. My future endeavors that I would like to share with you all, and in which LawSikho has helped me, is I wanted to be a part of the competition commission ecosystem. They really helped me to understand how the competition commission thinks in India. What are the grounds that they make their judgment on? It was really important for me to understand how and to what level the discretion of the courts are so as to prepare accordingly. Now, if I'm ever asked by a company to prepare a legal opinion on any topic, I'll be able to help them, I'll be able to give them a professional advice, and I'll need less guidance than any other intern in that same firm. So these are the soft skills that LawSikho has really focused on, and we should all try to inculcate these things by ourselves as well. Like I have this plan that I one day work with the Competition Commission of India. I'll take up cases. I'll work in merger control. I'll help the companies merge, demerge, and like it will involve a lot of legal opinions, a lot of legal research, and I am willing to be a part of it. Like in this thing, what usually happens is that if I am able to provide something, my team will be able to provide collective legal opinion on it. So I am planning to work on this specialization of mine so that I can work towards a greater good. When I had planned that I'll get my graduation in July and I'll start getting my clients, I'll start working from 2021. I didn't know where to start. I had no starting point. I had no network, like getting internships, going to firms and working is a different thing. That is a very important part. But to understand where will we get our clients, how do we actually apply the law? If right now today know how to file a form one, that is definitely because of LawSikho and the efforts of Shweta. But now to go to a company or to approach a client to tell them how this form will help them, how they can take up more legal services from me, how if they take a legal opinion beforehand, before going for a merger, before going for an investment, they can save lakhs of rupees in legal procedures. They can save lakhs of rupees by not conflicting with the views of CCI. That is very important in today's day because the laws of CCI are also changing. We cannot read that in books. It is very important that we take up live discussions, that we talk about it every week. And that is what has now been inculcated in me by laws. So that was really a thing that I appreciated a lot. That like we say that an advocate is a complete man. So I can say that I feel that now I know much better on how to tackle things. I know much better on how to present a case before CCI. I know how I can help other people, to not make violations involuntarily. Even many a times, what happens, it's investments, many a time, it's mergers. People don't intend to cause any harm or adverse appreciable effect. But then again, that happens involuntarily. So there should always be someone to, give a legal consultation for these. I'll share regarding the writing assignment. Like another interesting thing which I found in LawSikho's assignment was that they had a writing assignment, a research paper that was to be done every month. So in the 3 year duration of my course, I had three research papers, and it was really amazing that I was able to work on those topics. The topics included government monopolies, U.S. laws and competition, and like other aspects of all the competition law, and various other things that I worked in specific. So I was able to write on these topics. I was able to share these topics on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and that improved my digital presence exponentially. And that I had not focused on earlier. I didn't know where I was missing out, where what things I was doing wrong. So it was really good that I was able to polish up my other skills, which were not so important as well.